guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this vlog, I am going to share to you the refusal reason for visa application. So it takes time for me to finish this vlog because the information that I am going to share to you are coming from the embassy. So before I cut a letter containing this refusal reason information. So this time guys that I am more active in blogging, so now I am able to share those to you guys. And let's proceed to my presentation. Okay, presentation talaga guys kasi mostly I am doing my blog using PowerPoint presentation. Sometimes we are asking ourselves why our visa application got denied, though we passed a lot of documents during our visa application. One time I got refused also guys, and for that I need to do my remonstration, which is so stressful. So guys, what is refused or denied visa? So sometimes, ayan, pag sinabing refused or denied, naiiyak na tayo kasi parang wala na tayong pag-asa. It feels so hopeless na parang makapag-travel ako. But guys, stop thinking about it because refused or denied visa is this. So this means you are not eligible for the visa now. So now, not forever. Ayan. But your case is pending. So guys, naka-pending lang yung application nyo. May pag-asa pa kayo. So stop being so dramatic. Further action for one of the following reasons. Your application is incomplete. Ayan. You pass a lot of documents, but since the most important one is missing, or further documentation is required. Applicants whose application form or other documentation are incomplete are refused. So guys, once na naka-receive kayo ng refusal letter coming from the embassy, meaning naka-pending yung application nyo and the embassy are waiting for you to do your remonstration to pass another documents na hindi mo pa napasa ngayon kasi naghahanap pa sila ng more documents coming from you kasi hindi pa sila satisfied sa mga pinasa mo ng documents. So mostly the embassy giving 3 weeks. Ayan, 3 weeks yung binibigay nila for someone para mag-remonstrance. So pag wala kang ginawa within 3 weeks after you got your refusal letter, ayun guys, talagang wala ka ng pag-asa. But guys, so refusal means your application is pending and the embassy is just waiting for you until you do your remonstration. So this is the refusal letter that I got before coming from the embassy guys. I got refused, and during that time I don't have yet my blog, so I am not able to share to you all my experience during this hard time. This time I am going to share to you, so para maiwasan nyo na guys yung mga pagkakamali ko noon during my visa application. So dear Miss Bagadyong, so refusal of my visa. The German embassy in Manila has examined your visa application. Your application is hereby refused or pending, so I don't get my visa. Ayan, this decision is based on the following reasons. So guys, I got list of refusal reasons. Number 1, if forged travel documents was presented. If the embassy find that something wrong in your documents, they cannot confirm it. Ayan, so nagpasa ka ng fake documents, fake medical insurance, and the embassy cannot confirm it. Documents that you purchase for your visa application, they have their code. Sometimes it is a QR code, or sometimes it is just a number that the embassy just need to type the number and they can confirm either your medical insurance or something is real or not. So sometimes naman about yourself or personal information, fake documents, so that is one of the reason. And ayan, yung mga documents na walang authentication. So guys, affidavit of support. So affidavit of support need authentication coming from the Philippines embassies. No authentications, automatically the embassy will going to mark it as fake documents. So number 2, justification for the purpose and conditions of the intended stay was not provided. So wala kang pinasang travel itinerary or hindi mo nabanggit sa cover letter mo or there's no such additional letter kung ano yung gagawin mo sa bansa, bakit ka mag-visit, or during your interview, you cannot either answer the interviewer about the purpose of your travel. Ayan, so the remarks of the embassy regarding in this reason, you did not present all the required documents as detailed in the leaflet. Yung leaflet na tinutukoy nila guys is the list of documents that you can download coming from the embassy website. Ayan, your purpose of stay was not made clear from the documents submitted. So, sometimes, ayan, nagkakalabu-labu na talaga kung ano yung purpose ng travel natin. Sinasabi mo, during your visit visa, you will going to study for the language, or during your stay as tourist, you will going to look for work. Ayan guys, bawal yan. Number 3, the existence of your family relationship with the relatives you want to visit was not made credible. So, sa visit to, guys, visit visa. The proof of relationship that you presented, chats, pictures, hindi naniwala sa inyo yung consul. Sabi ng consul ay parang edited, parang hindi naman, ay parang hindi sweet, parang wala naman talagang relationship. And parang ganun guys, kaya nga sabi ko, mas sweet yung picture nyo, mas maganda, ayun. And doon na marami kayo guys, like group of person, it should be just you and your partner. Walang mga kaibigan, walang family picture na kung ano-ano na hindi naman, walang kinalaman sa visa application mo. Your employment contract was not confirmed. So, sinabi mo guys na nagtatrabaho ka. Ayun, nagpagawa ka ng fake employment contract or employment certificate. So, kinausap mo yung kaibigan mong may sariling company na like, gawan mo naman ako ng employment certificate kahit hindi ako nagtatrabaho sa inyo for visa purposes lang. And hindi mo in-inform yung kaibigan mong may-ari. Tinawagan siya ng embassy or ang tinawagan, ang nakatanggap ng tawag yung secretary and nahuli ka. Hindi ka pala talaga totoong empleyado. And you did not submit a hotel booking. So, this is a proof of accommodation. So, if you are not going to stay in a hotel, dapat naka-state yan guys sa invitation letter nyo that you will be staying in your inviter place or house. You should write it in your cover letter or either in invitation letter. Have not provided proof of sufficient means of subsistence for the duration of the intended stay for the return to the country of origin or residence, or for the transit to a third country into which you are certain to be admitted, or you are not in a position to acquire such means lawfully. So dito guys, you have not provided proof of sufficient means. So ayan, ito na yung financial capability. Your bank certificate. Nandito rin guys yung affidavit of support, or for the transit to a third country into which you are certain to be admitted, or you are not in a position to acquire such means lawfully. Ito guys, para ito sa nagta-transit visa. Ayan. So, dapat meron din silang permit na tinatanggap sila doon sa bansang pupuntahan nila. So, before they apply for visa, dapat meron silang permit coming from those country. Remarks. So, regarding number 3, you provided no insufficient evidence of funding for your travel and stay in Germany, the Schengen area. So, guys, ito na yung sinasabi kong dapat meron kayong financial capability. So, mostly, ang ang hinihingi dito ng embassy is your bank information. Please note that a simple bank certificate is not acceptable as proof of financial coverage if you do not attach bank statements for the last 6 months. So meron nga kayo guys bank certificate but wala kayong pinasang bank statements for 6 months. So, bakit guys? Napaka-importante nitong bank statements. Kasi dyan, tinitingnan ng embassy yung flow ng money mo. Saan ba galing yung perang pumapasok sa account mo. Ayan siya. So, hinuhuli ka din dito guys kung meron kang one big time money. Nag-deposit ka agad ng 1 million in just 1 day in your bank account, guys, that is a big red flag for your visa application. Dapat inahati-hati natin siya. And number 4, you have already stayed for 3 months during the current 6 months period on the territory of the member states on the basis of the uniform visa or a visa with limited territorial validity. Remarks: overstay na yung visa mo. For example, guys, visit visa, tourist visa, ang maximum allowed stay lang yan, guys, is 90 days. Depende pa sa days na binigay sa iyo ng embassy or sa number of days na in-apply mo. For example, nag-apply ka lang ng 14 days for your tourist trip or for your tour. And then, 14 days lang din talaga, guys, yung validity ng visa mo. Take note, bawal ka mag-overstay. So, kung mag-overstay ka, gusto mo mag-extend ng stay mo, dapat meron kang additional documents coming from certain immigration. So, ayan. And your visa got expired before ka pa makabalik sa bansa na pinanggalingan mo. So, one time, guys, nag-overstay ako dito sa Germany for 3 months. Ayan, but though may documents naman ako, guys, but still I cut under inspection pa rin sa German embassy na talagang yung police pa yung nag-asikaso sa akin. Nakakakaba. And number 5, an alert has been issued in Schengen Information System SIS for the purpose of refusing entry by indication of member state. So guys, nakaban ka sa isang bansa. So for example, may ginawa ka doon, guys, na hindi maganda, tapos may pending case ka. Ayan, take note, guys, sa Schengen area, they are using uniform visa application system. So talagang nagkukulab sila, guys. Kung nakaban ka sa isang bansa, i-enter nila yung information mo sa system na i-connect din sa different embassies. So, parang hindi ka, guys, makakalusot. Sobrang higpit, guys, ng Europe pag papapasok ng mga immigrant, talagang chine-check nila. So, take note, guys, na talagang wala kang previous bad case sa mga bansang sakop din ng Schengen area. So, dapat tatapusin mo yung mga problema mo sa bansa na yun bago ka lumipat sa isang bansa. So, number 6, one or more members consider you to be a threat to public policy, internal security, public health as defined in Article 219 of Regulation EC number 562/2006 Schengen Border Code, or the international relation of one or more member of the state. So the embassy found something bad in your profile, or in some countries already they list you as a terrorist, or you bring illness, and if you carry those kind of sickness. So, hindi ka nila, guys, bibigyan ng visa because they classified you as a public threat. And number 7, proof of holding an adequate or valid travel medical insurance was not provided. Remarks: you did not submit your travel health insurance minimum coverage of €30,000 and repatriation repatriation in case of illness. So travel health insurance is one of the most important documents during your visa application. So wala kang insurance guys, automatic din na yung visa mo. So by the way, I made a vlog about this, ayan, about medical insurance. I made a list, ano ba yung mga medical insurance na tanggap dito sa Europe, the cheapest insurance that you can purchase online. And your travel health insurance did not cover the entire duration of stay in Germany, the Schengen area for which you submitted your visa application. So dapat guys, cover the whole duration of your stay. Bawal siya kumulang. For example, yung insurance nyo nag-expired na but then nandito ka pa rin sa Schengen area. Nag-expired siya ng December 24 but then yung balik mo sa Pinas is December 30. So still hindi yun guys valid. So hindi yun tatanggapin ng embassy. Di baling magsobra guys yung days but wag lang siyang kumulang. So if before application of the visa, yan nakapag-purchase ka na and then you reschedule your flight. Also you need to reschedule your Schengen area para magtugma siya doon sa date ng stay mo dito sa Schengen. May nagtanong sa akin if pwede ba daw yung PhilHealth. No guys, hindi pwede yung PhilHealth. Hindi nga guys nakakabayad yung PhilHealth dyan sa Pilipinas, dito pa sa Europe. So bawal siya guys. So meron lang list of certain companies na nag-offer ng Schengen insurance. Number 8, the information submitted regarding the justification for the purpose and condition of the intended stay was not reliable. You made contradictory statements about your purpose of stay. So sabi ko nga guys, be firm or be concise ba ayun sa pagsagot sa interview mo. So visit visa, wag kang sasagot na mag-aaral ka, wag kang magsasagot na magpapakasal ka, wag kang sasagot na ganyan because tourist, mamamasyal ka lang, and visit you will going to visit your family or someone. There's no extra activities like looking for work or something. Your employment and your professional qualification are not proportional to your alleged income. For example, guys, sinabi mong you have small business. Sinabi mo lang guys, small business, but then ang nilagay mo, kumikita ka ng 200k per month. So, doon pa lang guys, parang I need additional requirements for this. So, i-refuse ng embassy yung visa mo. Ipepending siya ng embassy. Dapat yung sakto lang, wag nang susubra na halos hindi na kapaniwala. The validity period of the visa you applied for indicates a planned duration of stay in Germany, the Schengen area that is not consistent with your holiday entitlement and income situation. And number 9 guys, your intention to leave the territory of the member states before the expiry of your visa could not be ascertained. So this is the reason of my visa refusal. And guys, I think this is the top refusal reason for visa application. And remarks, the embassy make a prognosis regarding the applicant's return to the Philippines. The documentation and other personal details you submitted were not enough for the embassy to arrive at a positive estimation of your willingness to return to the Philippines. To arrive at this estimation, the embassy takes the following into account. And lalo na guys, if wala kang anak, wala kang business, wala kang properties, and then pupunta ka dito sa Germany, so ito mostly yung nagiging reason kung bakit refuse yung visa. Kasi sabihin ng embassy ay wala tong reason to be back sa Pilipinas, and lalo na if well-educated ka, it is easy for you to find work here in Germany, and yun na yung agad na yung naiisip ng consul. Family ties to the Philippines, spouse, minor, children, care, responsibility, etc. By the way guys, I also have vlogs. In this case, ayan, lahat nata guys, meron akong vlog. And kung hindi nyo pa guys napapanood, ayan, panoorin nyo. And those are so informative. Economic bonds of the visa applicant with her home country, wages approved, leave of absence other regular income from rents or real estate property or self-employment. Daming questions sa akin ng embassy. So, ito yung mga questions nila. Kasi ang pagkakamali ko guys noon, nung nag-apply ako ng visa, nagpasa ako ng Certificate of Employment but then hindi ako nagpasa ng aking payslip. Tapos, ang sinabi ko pa doon guys, I am earning 15,000 pesos per month and then may mga tutorial ako, ayan. And which is per month also, I am earning from my tutorial, ayan, 15 to 20k, which is I didn't pass any additional document to prove those income. So, hinanap siya sa akin ng embassy.